Discussion on features of prosthetic valves on chest X-ray and fluoroscopy. Approximate positions of the valves as seen on the chest X-ray are marked in the picture. A line connecting the pulmonary bay to the right cardiophrenic angle is used to get the positions of aortic and mitral valves. Mitral valve is below this line while aortic valve is above it. Tricuspid valve is a midline structure. But the actual positions may vary from case to case, especially with differential enlargement of the cardiac chambers. Most commonly replaced valves are the mitral and aortic, tricuspid next, and pulmonary the least. Annuloplasty rings used for valve repair may also be seen on chest X-ray. The older valves were of ball and cage design. The prototype was Starr-Edwards valve, which was the workhorse with valves functioning well in a person over 5 decades. But due to other problems, the valve has been discontinued. The design consists of cage with a sewing ring and struts. Mitral valve had 4 struts, while the aortic had 3 struts. A ball-shaped poppet moved back and forth during the cardiac cycle to open and close the valve. This image is that of a Starr-Edwards prosthetic mitral valve. The valve ring and 4 struts are visible, but this elastic puppet, being non-rodeo opaque, is not visible. Cage is directed downwards and to the left into the left ventricle for a mitral prosthetic valve. For aortic Starr-Edwards valve, there are only 3 struts. Cage is directed upwards and to the right into the aorta for the aortic prosthetic valve. The initial Biot-Shiley valve, which has been discontinued, was a tilting disc valve. Currently, there are single leaflet and bi-leaflet tilting disc valves. TTK Chitra valve is a tilting disc valve with ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene disc which is not radio-opaque. The valve ring is visible. This X-ray shows a TTK Chitra valve in aortic position. Here is an X-ray showing TTK Chitra valve in mitral position. Only the valve sewing ring is visible. Though prosthetic valves are seen well on chest X-ray, they can be evaluated better by fluoroscopy. In fluoroscopy, valve leaflets which are radio-opaque can be seen opening and closing at the corresponding time of the cardiac cycle depending on the position of the valve. A stuck leaflet can be easily identified. Fluoroscopic view of a bileaflet mitral valve is shown here with leaflets in open position. St. Jude Medical and Carbomedic's bileaflet valves have slightly different characteristics, but both have similar clinical performances. Medtronic Hall is a single leaflet valve. Onyx is a newer bileaflet valve which has been approved for lesser warfarin requirements in aortic position. The image shows the opening and closing of the mitral leaflets. This is the ring of the mitral valve, prosthetic mitral valve. The leaflets are seen opening and closing. 2 leaflets are seen in this view. Background shows coronary angiogram. Tiger catheter is seen in the left coronary ostium. This is another view, the RIO caudal view. Earlier one was the LAO caudal view. Here the valve ring is seen in a different plane. You can see the coronary angiogram as well in the background.